When Tronsmart released its first generation of Spunky earbuds, it quickly became one of the best-selling products on Geekbuying. I personally use them wherever I go. Now the Pro version has come out. Let's find out what's new. Let's take a quick look at what's in the box. One charging case that contains 2 Spunky Pro wireless earbuds, one USB Type-C cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. It's in 6 languages. That's pretty cool. By the way, the box includes 3 sets of rubber ear tips, like all decent earbuds. The Pro box is significantly smaller than the first generation, which is a good upgrade in some way. It looks lighter and more portable than the last generation. Same as its predecessor, simply press the button on the side and rotate the lid to open the case. When you take out 2 Tronsmart Spunky Pro earbuds from the case on the first use, make sure to remove the transparent films, then put them back in the charging case and fully charge them. You can choose to charge the case wirelessly or by using a USB-C cable. It should take less than 1 hour. Now we are going to show you how to pair to your device. The earbuds automatically enter true wireless stereo pairing mode when they are taken out of the charging case. The red and blue flashing light on the left earbud indicates that they have successfully paired. Then turn on your device's Bluetooth setting and search for Tronsmart Spunky Pro to pair. Keep your device close while pairing. Wait for a few seconds, the indicator goes off when the connection is successful. In case you just want to use one earbud, simply press the multifunction button on either the left or right earbud for 5 seconds until the red and blue indicator flashes. Then turn on your device's Bluetooth setting and search for Tronsmart Spunky Pro. Click to pair, just like last time. Keep your device close while pairing and wait for a few seconds until the pairing is successful. Then you are ready to go. For the specific gesture on the Spunky earbud, they are quite simple and intuitive. There is not a huge difference from other earbuds on the market. In case you just want to know all of them, I just listed on the screen. What I'd like to see next is my user experience. The Spunky Pro earbuds are not really like what you've seen on the market. It's redesigned to be ergonomic that fits your ear perfectly, snug and secure. Battery life is a strong point. With 3.5 hours of music listening time and 3.5 hours of talk time, the case provides an extra 14.5 hours of playtime. Basically, you can use this thing all day long. There are exterior LED lights indicating the battery level for the case itself. The wireless charging is still quite amazing up to today. It only supports 5 watts, but hey, check out Apple Airpods. They are 5 times more expensive, yet with the same charging power. Cannot complain about that. Something else that I cannot complain about is the audio quality. The Spunky Pro can put out a delightful amount of bass along with the full-bodied mids and balanced treble. I guess part of the superior performance is just the sheer fact that the earbud fits perfectly in the ear canal. You know, many earbuds just don't really fit snug and therefore let in a lot of ambient sound. Now, overall my experience with the Tronsmart Spunky Pro earbuds has been pretty sweet. It works all good with Android or iOS devices, no obvious latency at all while listening to music. The call quality is decent, both in quiet environment and on busy street. Guys, you gotta give this thing a try. With only $38 on Geekbuying, that's only 1/5 of the big brands like Apple or Samsung. Don't miss this decent earbuds. Link in the description. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Sammy. See you next time.